Behind me is the fashionable Yorkville located in the heart of downtown Toronto. It's home to high-end designer boutiques, luxurious hotels, and some of the most expensive real estate here in Toronto.
If you're new here, my name is Nav and I'm a real estate agent from Toronto. I started this channel to create inspiration and guide millennials to success. This is a brand new series where I will be doing tours all across Toronto. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to keep up with the latest content.
In this video, join me as I take you on a tour and show you the lifestyle that Yorkville offers.
If you're not familiar with the city of Toronto, Yorkville is located right at Yonge and Bloor, which is really central downtown. For the true Yorkville experience, you're going to want to visit Cumberland and Yorkville Avenue. This is where you're going to find the true experience of this neighborhood, with heritage homes converted into small boutiques, chic cafes, and cobblestone roads that make you really feel like you're somewhere special. You may notice construction pylons throughout the video, but this is just because restaurants have extended their patio seating to accommodate for COVID-19. It is a small block that consists of ultimate luxury. Some of the stores include Louis Vuitton, Tiffany, Hermes, Off-White, Chanel, a Christian Louboutin house, and even a Ferrari dealership.
And if the flagship boutiques are not enough, then Holt Renfrew is right at your doorstep.
Stores like Holt Renfrew have everything you can think of. While being at Yorkville, you almost feel secluded from the rest of the city. Its posh hotels host Hollywood insiders during the popular Toronto International Film Festival. While visiting, you will notice two of the most popular hotels in the city. The first is the Hazelton. This 5-star hotel features suites up to $5,000 a night and provides an outstanding feel of royal luxury. On the other side of Yorkville Avenue, we also have the Four Seasons Hotel that features modern luxury with suites up to $15,000 per night.
And when it comes to real estate, it's more than just a level up. With the average condo costing over $1,600 a square foot, it truly is a different living experience.
Walking through the neighborhood, you will notice low-rise condos that feature limestone finishes and have valet for your car. Detached homes that are completely unique and offer true Toronto heritage and culture. A lot of exclusive pre-construction developments are also coming to this neighborhood, including 11 Yorkville, which was being sold for over $1,800 per square foot. This is truly a different living experience that can only be found in Yorkville.
And if Yorkville wasn't crazy enough for you already, take a look at the building standing right behind me. There's actually a listing currently on the market for almost $10 million.
36 Hazelton Avenue has a listing on the market for $13.5 million. It features over 4,000 square foot of living space, 2 bedrooms, 3 baths, and has a custom finish throughout the whole suite. It also has 5 parking spaces and has a monthly maintenance cost of over $8,500. But you don't need to live in Yorkville for the experience. Visiting for a day, I highly suggest eating at the Chic restaurants on Yorkville Avenue.
I'm personally right now at a restaurant called Nervosa. It's one of my personal favorite Italian restaurants. And actually last time I was here, I ended up bumping into Drake. So if you ever end up visiting, make sure to check out this place. They have amazing Italian food.
And after having an amazing meal at one of the restaurants at Yorkville, my personal favorite thing to do next is to stop by one of the espresso bars and enjoy a nice espresso. It helps settle in the meal and get you back on track for the rest of the day. You can also enjoy a gelato instead of a coffee if you're looking for sugar instead of caffeine. As you continue to walk throughout Yorkville, exotic cars are no surprise. If you're a car enthusiast like myself, well then you're definitely in for a treat.
And while you're checking out Yorkville, you can also visit the Royal Ontario Museum.
With beautiful exterior architecture and one-of-a-kind artifacts, This museum is a very hot tourist attraction. And by the end of your Yorkville visit, just expect to pay around $30 for your parking.
And there we have it, folks. That was a tour of the most expensive neighborhood here in Toronto. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button so you guys can keep up with the latest content. But with that being said, my name is Nav. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!